So, let's dive into a topic that often comes up in tech discussions: Salesforce versus Java. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, not another tech comparison, hear me out. This isn't just about code or platforms, it's about understanding the tools that shape our digital world and how they can impact our careers, our businesses, and even our daily lives. First off, let's break down what Salesforce is. At its core, Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management (CRM) platform. Think of it as a sophisticated digital toolbox that helps businesses manage their relationships and interactions with potential and existing customers. It's like having a super organized digital filing cabinet where you can store all your customer data, track sales, and manage marketing campaigns. The beauty of Salesforce is that it's designed to be user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. You can customize it, automate processes, and even integrate it with other tools without diving deep into the techie stuff. Now, contrast that with Java. Java is a programming language, and it's a whole different ballgame. It's like the foundation of a house. You don't see it, but it's what holds everything up. Java is used to build applications, from mobile apps to large-scale enterprise systems. It's versatile, powerful, and let's be honest, a bit complex. If Salesforce is your friendly neighborhood toolkit, Java is the intricate machinery behind the scenes, requiring a solid understanding of coding concepts, algorithms, and data structures. So, what's the big difference? One is a platform, the other is a language. Salesforce provides a ready-made environment where businesses can thrive, while Java is a tool for developers to create that environment from scratch. Salesforce allows users to leverage its built-in functionalities to solve business problems quickly. You can set up a CRM system in hours, not days. Meanwhile, Java requires you to roll up your sleeves and write code to build something from the ground up. Now, let's talk about the audience. Salesforce is aimed at sales and marketing professionals, customer service teams, and anyone who needs to manage customer relationships effectively. It's designed to empower users to work smarter, not harder. On the flip side, Java is for developers, engineers, and tech enthusiasts who enjoy the challenge of building software. If you love problem-solving and have a knack for logic, Java is your playground. But if you're more about enhancing customer experiences and driving sales, Salesforce is your best friend. But here's where it gets interesting. Both Salesforce and Java can coexist beautifully. Many companies use Salesforce as their CRM and have Java developers on staff to customize and enhance the platform. They're not mutually exclusive. Rather, they complement each other. A business can use Salesforce to manage customer data and then employ Java to build custom applications that integrate with Salesforce, creating a seamless experience for users. And let's not forget the job market. If you're looking for a career in tech, the demand for Salesforce professionals is skyrocketing. Companies are investing in CRM solutions to stay competitive, and they need skilled individuals who can navigate the Salesforce ecosystem. On the other hand, Java developers are also in high demand, especially in fields like web development, mobile app development, and enterprise solutions. In the end, the choice between Salesforce and Java depends on your goals and interests. Are you drawn to the business side of things, helping companies connect with their customers? Or do you have a passion for coding and building software from scratch? Both paths are valid, both are rewarding, and both have their unique challenges. So, whether you're a budding Salesforce admin or an aspiring Java developer, embrace the journey. The tech world needs both of you.